Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today I'm going to share with you the success story of one of my subscriber who got selected in Infosys company. So total, she had 4 years of experience in manual testing, including 2 years of experience in automation for web applications using Selenium WebDriver. And she had a good expertise in automation with Java. And she had also got exposure to TestNG, Maven, and GitHub. And apart from that, she had 1 year of API testing experience, and she had a good understanding of SQL queries and Cucumber tool. So basically, she got hired in Infosys, and these were the technical interview questions asked to her. The second round was with the project manager. So we'll see the questions today. So very first, let us have a look at the technical interview questions. So this is a common question. Tell me about yourself. What are agile ceremonies? Then what is story point? Okay, so in agile ceremonies, you can tell about everything like stand-ups, meetings, grooming, requirement analysis, all those things that are happening. Story point is, again, you can tell about the points that you will be giving to the user story on the basis of their complexity, right? So that you can give the answer. Then it is explain bug life cycle. So again, when you log a defect, it's a new state, then it is assigned to someone, and so far and so good. Then how to test text box which accepts only 1 to 10. So you can tell about the testing techniques, boundary value analysis using equivalence partitioning, you will be testing it, right? Then there is advertising button on the web page. How will you test it? Okay, so you can test it on various web browsers, various kinds of operating system. And as it's an advertising button, so you will be seeing that it is not playing the advertisement beyond the limit, right? So that also kind of scenarios you can test. Then how do you open different browsers in Selenium? Okay, so this is with respect to Selenium. You can use WebDriver Manager, or you can also tell them about the Chrome driver, Firefox driver, all these things are available. Or if they cross question you, then also you can also tell them about the Selenium grid, right? So those things also you can tell. So what I'll do is I'll cover the questions first, and then if you have the doubt in any of the questions, so you can comment on this video, then we will discuss on the answers as well, right? Or else this video will get too long, and then right, the purpose of the video won't be solved. So the first purpose is that she has got hired, and you also can get hired in these kind of MNC companies. So first understand what kind of questions they are asking, so you can prepare and you can upgrade yourself, right? If same test cases we want to run for multiple time, how can we do it in the automation framework? What is the use of groups function in TestNG? What is the difference between driver.get and driver.navigate to method? What is method overloading and method overridden? And where are you using in your project? I think it would be method overriding, right? So ignore this thing. How often you are running your regression suite? How many test cases you are writing per day? How do you test drop-down menu using Selenium WebDriver? How do you reverse integer in Java? After creating post request, what do you check first in API testing? So she has mentioned actually the skills of API testing. So that's why she's getting questions on API testing. Some basic questions these are. What is the 300 series errors in API testing? How do you find highest salary for 3 different departments like HR, employees, and manager department using SQL query? So these were the first round of interview questions asked to her. It included both manual testing plus automation testing, right? Now, second round of interview she had with the project manager. Again, same, tell me something about yourself, roles and responsibilities in your project. Then tell me about different testing types that you are using in your project, and just give brief introduction of it. What is Maven? Why are you using in your project? What is Git version control tool? And do you know any other version control tool other than GitHub, right? So you can tell SVN or Bitbucket, right? Why are you using IntelliJ IDEA? Or if you would have mentioned Eclipse, then they will ask you like that. Would you be able to write test cases from requirement document? What is the difference between RESTful and RESTless? What is the difference between API and web services? Some of the questions from her resume. Okay, so this was these are the questions that are shared by one of my subscriber who recently got interviewed in Infosys. And I think it was maybe last week of Jan or first week of February. And she gave this interviews and she got hired in Infosys. So congratulations to her. And it's a kind of, a motivational video for all of us who are looking for a change in job, who are not happy with their job, or who are looking for a growth in their career. So prepare yourself, upgrade yourself with these type of questions, and I'm sure that you will be getting a job in a good company very soon. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates, and like, share, and subscribe our channel. There is also a playlist that we have created in which we have mentioned the questions asked in various MNC companies. Those are again shared by few of my subscribers. So whenever you are attending any of the interviews, please do share questions with us in an email. You can write it to us at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. Thank you so much.